Apple's new Ultra Watch was released just a couple weeks ago. I've been using it, playing with it, admiring it, but I can't keep it. And I'm going to tell you why in this video, so stay tuned. This watch looked incredible. The new double-layered GPS that I'm going to run through the desert and waypoint my way home. The bigger screen, the bulkier thing, the special orange button that's not just orange but international orange. All of these things made Uncle Mikey think to himself, this could be the year that I'm going to buy an Apple Watch and actually use it and keep it on my wrist. I plonked down my hard-earned money. $799 smackaroos plus tax here in Texas, over $840. And I pre-ordered my watch and it arrived and I unboxed it and I shared it with you, my YouTube friends. Go check it out, help the channel out, get me some views, hit that subscribe button while we're at it and like this video, like that video, like all my videos. We'll be besties. But here's the deal. Watch this. Did you see that? Watch this. Oh, I gotta put my passcode in, it's locked, okay. Here we go. 1111. If you ever see me with this Apple Watch on again, feel free to put that passcode in when you steal it from me. So we'll just carry on talking here for a second. And oh, what's that? I need to check something on my watch. Let's have a look. Oh, it's locked, but I just unlocked it. And it's been on my wrist, so it's okay. I'll do it again. So look, the watch is awesome. The watch is, oh, hang on a second. I need to just check something else. Oh, it's locked again. And this kept happening over and over again. So I thought to myself, it must be the software. It's the first day. I'll do a system update. So I did a system update and I put it on the next day and I unlocked it. And I got up in the morning to go run because I'm trying to be a little bit healthier. And so I unlocked it. I went for my run. I came back and then I went to check my stats, but it was locked again. So now I'm starting to think, okay, something's not quite right. I go and look at my run and it only captured about 9.5 to 10 minutes of it. And I ran for like 9 hours, I promise. Okay, maybe like 25 minutes, but I'm working on it. So then I go and start thinking, what is going on with this Apple Watch? Have I just got a duff one? And I go and Google Apple Watch Ultra problems. I don't find a whole lot of problems that make any sense to what I'm experiencing. So then I go Google Apple Watch keeps locking. And after spending like 6 hours online, maybe 30 minutes, I don't know, somewhere in that range, I come to the realization, maybe it's just me and not Apple. You see, you might not have noticed, but Uncle Mikey has a few tattoos. And I had some new ones done recently, one of which is right here. So on my previous Apple Watch, this little bad boy didn't exist. And now it does. And it turns out that Apple hates tattoos. You heard it here first. Why does my Apple Watch not work on my tat? Well, there's some science behind this because I did some research. It turns out that certain inks affect the pigmentation and coloring within the skin. And the little flancy lights, is flancy a word? I was going to say flashing and fancy and I just made flancy up. Can we go with that? Maybe we'll even use it as a code word to get a free Uncle Mikey print that is available in my store right now. Leave the word Flancy in the comments below and I'm going to send you a special link where you can put your name in the hat. The ink affects the way the flancy light shines through the skin and so the sensors can't read. And I get it, all right? I get it. There are limitations to what technology can do. But I don't remember Mr. Cook standing on stage saying, if you have tattoos, you might not want to buy this watch. Then I started to think, let's do some more research. Let's find out, is there a workaround? And the good news is there's a great workaround. You can set your watch wrist detection off so that it's not looking to detect your wrist. Or you could turn your passcode off so at least you can get in and out of the watch without having to put the code in every time. But here's the problem. With the passcode off, it deletes all my credit cards because I can't use Apple Pay. If I put risk detection off, then I lose a bunch of features. I don't get notifications. So when my messages and my phone calls come through, nothing comes through to the watch. It obviously isn't reading my health metrics right. So when I go work out, it's not getting any of that stuff that I want. If I sleep at night, it's probably not going to capture the sleep data that I want. And let me read you some more. Okay, this is officially from Apple. If wrist detection is off, you won't get stand notifications. your Apple Watch can't track your standing progress. It can't track background heart readings, like resting and walking rates. I'm just taking a time out here. If my Apple Watch can't tell me when to stand or not to stand because it doesn't know what I'm doing, if it can't test my heart rate and check it in the background, if it can't do my workouts in the background, if I can't use it because I have to put a PIN code in every time I want to unlock it, otherwise I'm going to lose my credit cards, what exactly can you do if you have tattoos in your watch area, as I do? It can tell the time. Thank you very much. Good night. So, now that I've got the real bit between my teeth, does the Galaxy Watch Pro 5 have the same problem as the Apple Watch Ultra? We're going to do a comparison and check them out. So watch out for that video soon. Hit that notification bell and you'll get it as soon as I drop it.